I'm Helen. Yeah. Oh, Oliver.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Welcome to join us the online van exhibition, and we also see many times for your online exhibition live before. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell us and introduce some of your products. Very nice. Like the lights come out very nice. Yeah.
Okay, first, my name is Olivia from Kellogg Lighting. First, it's pleased to be here and share our products with you all. Hope wish all of you a happy and healthy life and take care of yourself and your families during this pandemic. Canlux Lighting is a manufacturer who is specializing in all kinds of modern LED products, decorative lamps, such as wall lamps, ceiling lamp, pendant lamps, and table lamp, floor lamps. As we know that light plays a very important role in our lives. Light is everywhere, and we cannot live without lights. Canlux Lighting is pursuing to bring our consumer healthy, energy-saving, and elegant lamps to their lives. Hope all of our consumers are happy to have our lamps in their house. Now let my colleague Linda to introduce our products to you all.
Hello, this is Linda from Canlux Lighting. As you can see, we have two types models in our booth number. Like this model is acrylic model. This model we sell most in European countries, and this model with 2.4G remote control. We can use the remote control to change the color. Now I'll show you. Now we turn off the lights, and now turn on the lights. Also, we use this remote control can change the color. You can see because it is with three colors. This is for natural light, and this is solid. Yes, and also it's also this remote control with memory function. And like this model is very simple. The material is aluminum and silicone. Okay, it takes turns with my colleague Nico.
Hello, this is Nico, and next time I will introduce another model for you. About this part is our best-selling model here, and we have three colors here. And also they had a very simple design, and you can see the color is white and black. Also you can look at that, our selling lane. 拍一下. Yes. And we can have a white color, and this is 4,000K. Okay. That's all I want to share with you here. So if you are interested in our model, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Wish you have a good day.
Do you have more tell us about your main market, something like this? Yeah.
Our main market is Europe. Yeah, it's Europe, such as Italy. Yeah, Italy, Germany, and Romania, Bulgaria. Yes, such as like Russia and these markets. We are professional in providing exporting to these countries. Yeah, these countries.
How about the Russian market? Because the Russian market is very huge. Yeah.
Yes, Russian market. We are professional in this market. We cooperating with many import trading companies. Trading companies, and they supplying products to some supermarkets such as Castorama and OBI and Hombach, such as like these kinds of supermarkets.
Okay.
Yes.
So they can export your goods to them. Okay.
Yes.
And so how about the patent or the how to say the certificate? Is that trading company or the certificate is yours?
Do you mean the warranty of our products?
No, the CE, something like this.
CE, yes, we have CE, ERP, and the new requirements
ERP.
from the new regulation in Europe is ERP certificate report. We are issuing the ERP test report now.
You already have the ERP.
Yeah, we
report.
already have
Great.
ERP report.
Maybe you need to show here, and then you have the ERP for.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you have to show in the customers here.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So most of your products is shipped by the trader, and then they export your goods to them.
Yes, some of them, especially to some supermarkets, they are trader. But some other customers, we cooperate with each other directly.
Oh.
Yes, some customers, some countries, we cooperate with
OEM
directly.
or ODM?
OEM.
OEM.
Yes.
Their brand, and then.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Have a good
Thank you.
business. Do you have
Thank
your
you.
name card, and then
Okay.
you take a picture.
This is my name card.
Yeah, this only your name card, and then if you need some inquiry on product information, please contact them, and then they will reply you by details.
Welcome to contact us.
Yeah, and welcome to contact you, and then welcome to your factory to visit. Is that okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you so much.
Thank you, Frankie.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Good business.
nice day.
Yeah, okay.